In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn these delicious Maris Piper potatoes into wonderful, crunchy, crispy roast potatoes with a beautiful fluffy inside. Begin by peeling your potatoes. I'm using Maris Pipers because they're my favourite, but you can use any floury potato variety. I'll list a few and I'll put them on the screen for you. Now we're going to cut the potatoes to the desired size. I like them quite chunky, but bear in mind the bigger they are, the longer they take to cook. Next, place your potatoes into a pan of cold water and generously season with sea salt. Place over a low heat, and once the water comes to a gentle simmer, just like this, you want to turn the temperature right down to its very lowest setting, because we almost want to poach these potatoes until they're cooked all the way through. Not partially cooked, fully cooked through. It'll take roughly around 20 to 25 minutes. Now we've gently removed the potatoes from the hot water and placed them onto a cooling rack. This is essential because it's going to air dry and create a really rough, fluffy, dry surface for the oil to stick to and crisp up in the oven. Leave them to steam dry for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime preheat your oven to 210 degrees C. Place about half a centimetre of oil into the bottom of a roasting dish. I'm using sunflower oil for this today, but you could also use vegetable oil, you could use goose fat or duck fat, but I'm staying with the vegetarian, vegan friendly options today. Place your oil into a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Now we're going to take the potatoes and place them into the hot oil. Give the potatoes a turn so they're coated in oil. Now put them back into the oven for 35 minutes. Now after 35 minutes, you want to take them from the oven and give them another turn in the oil, and then place them back into the oven for another 30 minutes. Now take the roast potatoes from the oil and place onto some kitchen paper. Finish them with a good sprinkle of sea salt. Here we have some beautiful, crisp, golden roast potatoes. These roasties are so delicious, nice and crispy on the outside and beautifully fluffy on the inside. Now if you like them a little less crispy, just simply leave them in the oven for a little less time, or if you like them more crispy, leave them in for longer. I really hope you enjoy these roast potatoes. If you'd like to see more recipes, hit subscribe, and maybe you could watch this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.